This is 20,000 Rials bills, and in this video, we're here!
I roll the possibilities and everything I used to be out of reach. I'm back where I started, empty-handed and heavy-hearted, hanging on to memories. It feels like I'm stuck in the deep end, and I'm reaching out for help. Somebody tell me.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Yazd, and yes, where we are today, Aghazadeh mansion. It dates back to Aghazadeh area, and it's the most beautiful house ever. Let's check it out.
Don't need to pretend that you're fine. It's just a matter of time.
Pomegranate tree. I have to wait till autumn so I can eat pomegranate. Shop mission or alcove? I don't know, what's this? Wash your head. It's stairs again. So I found the door to the Wonderland. Grab it. And enter another enter.
Somebody tell me, you need the dark to see the light. It's just a matter of time, a matter of time. Don't need to pretend that you're fine. It's just a matter.
I can't breathe. Just imagine you wake up every day and this is the view. Oh, wonderful.
And I'll be alright. It's just a matter of time, a matter of time. Could somebody tell me you need to die?
So it's the hall behind the windcatchers. See? They have blocked it with interesting. It has a lot of fruits. Oh my goodness.
Nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más.
By the way, if you have enjoyed watching this video so far, don't forget to give the thumbs up and click that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. This is one of the most scariest stairs I've ever seen. What's up? Windcatcher! OMG! Such a view, you know? All around here are big houses and mansions. I think this area used to be the wealthy guys area, wealthy guys neighborhood.
De la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad.
Guys, I just realized something. There is no end to this house, you know? all the roofs are kind of connected to each other, and it's endless. I'm tired. Come on. Thank you for watching this video, and